Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today for you guys, I have a Pela phone case review. So back about 6 months ago, I did make an unboxing of the Pela phone case and also the liquid screen protector. So if you guys are interested in watching the unboxing of those two things, I will leave that video down in the description box below for you guys. So now that it is 6 months later, I just kind of wanted to give my honest thoughts of what I truly think about the Pela phone case regarding the pricing and the quality of it and their customer service and everything like that. Also, I will touch on the liquid screen protector and kind of my honest thoughts about that as well. So if you guys are interested in hearing more about my honest thoughts, please keep watching. So first off, I will start and say that I really liked their customer service. I bought my first Pela phone case, and then within about a week of having my Pela phone case, I actually dropped it. And so I actually got a little bit of a scratch in the phone case. And basically I just contacted customer service and they actually sent me a second phone case, which was really nice of them because their phone cases aren't super cheap. They're not super expensive either, but they range around $50 depending on what kind of phone you have. But they basically sent me another phone case for absolutely free. So starting right off the bat, I really loved their customer service. But since they did give me another phone case for free, you can definitely see the difference between the two of them. This one I had been wearing on my phone for the past 6 months, and obviously this one is still brand new. I've just been keeping it in the box until my other one kind of goes bad. So I absolutely love the blush color of this. I absolutely love the speckles in it, and I really like the texture of it too. It feels very like matte and a little bit rubbery, but it feels like flexible in your hand. The only thing I will say is about the blush color. I absolutely love this color in a phone case. I think it's very neutral and very just pretty. But as you can tell, it got really dirty after the first 6 months of only having it. But they did say on their social media that you can fully submerge your phone case and actually wash it. So I'm gonna do that for you guys today just to see in a comparison before and after of what it kind of looks like. Another thing is that these phones are compostable. So I was actually kind of surprised you could kind of fully submerge it in water and actually wash it. That's another reason I bought a phone case from Pela. I really wanted something that was eco-friendly and also like all natural. And if you guys didn't know, the Pela phone cases are completely compostable, which basically means if you throw your phone in your compost bin, it will break down within 90 days. I did mention this in my previous video that there is a difference between something being compostable and something being biodegradable. When something is compostable, it means it breaks down within 90 days. When something is biodegradable, it basically just means it will break down eventually, whether that is in 3 months, whether that is in 3 years. It doesn't really matter. So when Pela said that their phone case was compostable, that got me really interested. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this one. I have not washed it at all. This is truly what it looks like after 6 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and let you guys see the difference between before washing it and after washing it. Okay, so I just got done washing it, and this is basically what it looks like. I will say that not everything came off of it, but there was some stuff that was washing off, definitely. But this is basically the one I've had for 6 months, and this is the one that's obviously brand new. But I think it's just being a blush color and being such a light color that it's just gonna show stains no matter what. But I do think it's honestly really cool that you can take your phone case off and fully submerge it in water and completely wash it. So the next thing I'm gonna touch on is their liquid screen protector. This retails for I think about $45. So it is kind of expensive. It comes in this little vial and it's a liquid screen protector. So you pour it on your phone and you kind of wipe it in with your finger, and then you wait 2 minutes and then you wipe it off. When I first got this, I kind of really liked it. I didn't know if it was gonna work. I have dropped my phone since having this on my screen, and it has not shattered at all. So I'm not completely sure if this does or doesn't work. Maybe I just haven't dropped my phone hard enough. But I will say that you're supposed to get 3 uses out of this vial, and it's supposed to last you, I think, a year or 2. And for me, it dried up within the bottle. So I used this 6 months ago for the first time when I purchased it, and already 6 months later, it has dried right up, which is technically what it's supposed to do. After you pour the liquid on your screen, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes, and it's supposed to fill in all the cracks and harden and make your screen really, really strong and durable. But they didn't say that it would do this in the vial itself. And so for only getting 1 use out of it instead of 3 uses out of it, it was very, very expensive, being $45 just for this little bit. Hey guys, so I just wanted to jump in here quick and say that I actually did contact Pela about their screen protector drying up within the bottle, and I had a customer service guy say that it happens sometimes, and he's actually sending me over a free one in the mail. So that was really, really nice of them. But I just wanted to say that if you have found problems, or if you have problems in the future about anything about your phone case or screen protector, contact them because they have really good customer service. But I just want to jump in here and tell you guys that really quick. The last thing I will say, and something that I really honestly like, is if you do have the Pela phone case and also the liquid screen protector on your phone and you end up shattering your phone, Pela will fix your phone screen up to $200. I smashed my iPhone 7 a couple of years ago, and it cost me about, I think, $80, maybe $100 to fix. So it gives me a lot of peace of mind if I know that if I have the screen protector on and if I have my phone case on and I do end up shattering it, that I do have up to $200, kind of like insurance from Pela. Everything being said, I honestly really do recommend Pela. I think their phone cases are great. I think they're very, very comfortable and very, very pretty. They are always coming out with new styles and new patterns for their phone cases. Anyway, you guys, I hope that was really helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button along with that little bell button, because that will notify you guys every single time I have a new video coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.